Tracy, good evening. Here at the White House, no breaks, no respite. They are fighting this enemy on multiple fronts, and tonight new countermeasures being launched.
At the White House, another media briefing by the Coronavirus Task Force, updating reporters and the nation on the war against the illness.
We'll be invoking the Defense Production Act just in case we need it.
Efforts to turn the tide going out to sea.
We're sending, upon request, the 2 hospital ships. They're being prepared right now. They're massive ships. They're the big white ships with the Red Cross on the sides. One is called the Mercy and the other is called the Comfort.
On top of that,
today FEMA is activated in every region. We are at level 1 being the highest level.
And as Americans hunker down, follow the news, and avoid big crowds, the president says they're also working to expand testing capacity.
We're working with several groups to determine if the self-swab, a much easier process than the current process that's not very nice to do, I can tell you, because I did it.
Meanwhile, on Wall Street, more head spinning and gut wrenching. The vicious swings keep coming for the stock market. But Americans, including current and former presidential candidates, are showing their generosity and concern as well. Michael Bloomberg pledging $40 million to fight the disease. And Seahawks quarterback Russell Wilson and his wife donating 1 million meals to those affected in Seattle, which has been hit hard. And presidential hopeful Joe Biden remembering those suffering the most.
Most of all, my heart goes out to all of those of you who have lost a loved one, to those who have contracted the virus, to all the brave Americans who are working harder than ever to help their neighbors.
For most people, the coronavirus causes only mild or moderate symptoms. The vast majority of people recover. The president, meanwhile, thanking the nurses on the front lines.
Truly American heroes. They want to get it done. They're incredible people.
Also, the U.S. and Canada sealing off their border. HUD says no more evictions or foreclosures for the time being. And also those relief checks for Americans could be on the way very soon. Tracy?
All right, thank you, Owen. Correspondent Owen Jensen reporting from the White House.